أتظن أنك عندما أحرقتني ورقصت كالشيطان فوق رفاتي وتركتني للذاريات تذرني كحلا لعين الشمس في الفلوات، أتظن أنك قد طمست هويتي ومحوت تاريخي ومعتقداتي عبثا تحاول لا ثناء لثائر أنا كالقيامة
A little reactivate your hips and push your ass out. Gotta put the roll in it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly out. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I think I ran the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can, don't give me I'm a rider. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. Is there anything you ask for? Either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witnesses we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell a man that you can trust, not just a fool and lust. Coming to get you on the bus is so ironic. Exotic on the verge of erotic. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixing hydraulics. My up and down like a roller coaster. Gonna come inside you, I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm erotic, in and out just like a robbery. A party being sick and let you get on top of me. The rockin' knees, nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about them players living Cali days. The Lord's tucking you were fake to me. Instead of trying to help a brother, wanna take a cheese. Mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's so. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Once I'm released, I'm making millions trying to top that. They wanna sex me, they'd rather see me in my cell. It's different hell, only a few of us a little tail. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up with everyone that taught us all to cuss. Come on, tell me how you want it. How you want it? I was raised as a youth, till you forgot the scoop on how to get bulletproof. Sex busting off the roof when I was a teenager. Mobile phones, sky pager, gang rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is getting worried, they paranoid, getting worried. One of us gon' see the cemetery. They wonder if my lifestyle changed, and am I through with all the pain? Surviving in this game, it's still the same. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash, once again it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. I'm alone, can I come over there tonight? Depend on me to one to handle it and get it right. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Yeah, come on. Come on. Tell daddy how you want it.
Dina